Renault R5 Turbo 3E, a retro hot hatch reborn for the electric era. Opening shot, close-up of the original Renault 5 Turbo with rally clips in the background. In the vibrant world of automotive evolution, the Renault 5 Turbo emerges as a symbol of nostalgia and innovation. The new electric Renault R5 Turbo 3E carries this legacy forward, blending the classic design elements with modern technology. Although this thrilling electric vehicle is not available in the US, it stands as a testament to Renault's enduring legacy and innovative spirit. Let's talk about one of the coolest comebacks in car history, the Renault R5 Turbo. Back in the day, this wasn't just a hatchback, it was a revolution. Renault took the humble Le Car, which was, let's be honest, nothing special, and turned it into a mid-engine rally-bred monster with those unforgettable box flares. Cut to vintage rally footage of the Renault 5 Turbo. The Renault 5 Turbo, an icon of the 1980s, roars back to life in a new avatar, the electric Renault R5 Turbo 3E. This modern marvel marries the nostalgic charm of its predecessor with the cutting-edge technology of today. Though it's not available in the US, its thrilling electric performance is a testament to Renault's enduring legacy and innovative spirit. They ripped out the engine from the front, shoved it in the back, borrowed bits from Alpine, and gave it that iconic wide body. It looked wild, and on the rally stage, it went toe-to-toe with legends like the Audi Quattro. This little hatch wasn't just fast, it was clever too. Segment 2, The Return of a Legend. Transition to a shot of the new Renault R5 Turbo 3E in a studio setting with dramatic lighting. The Renault 5 Turbo, an icon of the past, has been reborn as the electric Renault R5 Turbo 3E. This new model seamlessly blends nostalgic design with cutting-edge technology, showcasing Renault's commitment to innovation. Although it's not available in the US, it offers thrilling electric performance, serving as a testament to Renault's legacy and forward-thinking vision. And now, the legend is back, reinvented for the electric age. Say hello to the Renault R5 Turbo 3E, a car that screams retro cool but packs the tech of the future. This isn't just a concept anymore. Renault is serious about bringing this to life. Close-up of the car's retro-inspired yet modern details. Imagine a vibrant racetrack under a clear blue sky, where the classic Renault 5 Turbo, with its bold and boxy design, stands proudly. Its vivid colors and retro charm draw attention, capturing the spirit of the 1980s. Next to it, the sleek and modern Renault R5 Turbo 3E, with its aerodynamic lines and electric prowess, sits ready to revolutionize the future of racing. Just look at it, those wide-set fenders, the aggressive stance, and that perfect balance between 80s nostalgia and modern design. It's like Renault saw all the love for retro EVs, like the Hyundai Ioniq 5, and said, "Hold my croissant." The script chronicles the evolution of the iconic Renault 5 Turbo into the new electric Renault R5 Turbo 3E, highlighting its blend of nostalgic design and cutting-edge technology. Despite being unavailable in the US, it embodies thrilling electric performance and stands as a testament to Renault's legacy and innovation. Shots of the Turbo 3E in motion, showcasing its power and handling. The Renault 5 Turbo, a legend of the 1980s with its bold design and rally roots, has been reimagined for the modern era. Meet the new Renault R5 Turbo 3E, an electric marvel that captures the spirit of its predecessor while embracing the future. Though it won't grace the roads of the US, its presence is felt worldwide, showcasing Renault's commitment to innovation and performance. But this isn't just about looks. The R5 Turbo 3E means business. It's rear-wheel drive, with hub-mounted electric motors that pump out over 507 horsepower. That's enough to launch this hot hatch from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Graphic overlay showing power delivery and torque. The Renault 5 Turbo was a legend in its time, a car that captured the imagination of a generation with its bold design and thrilling performance. Now, the Renault R5 Turbo 3E takes that legacy into the future with electric power, blending nostalgia with modern technology. Although it won't be available in the United States, Its spirit of innovation and excitement continues to inspire car enthusiasts worldwide. And thanks to its advanced e-motor setup, the Turbo 3E offers incredible traction and power distribution. Translation? It's not just fast, it's ridiculously fun to drive. The Renault 5 Turbo has always been a symbol of speed and innovation. Now, with the introduction of the electric Renault R5 Turbo 3E, this legacy continues. Although it's not available in the US, it represents a thrilling blend of nostalgic design and modern technology. This car stands as a testament to Renault's commitment to innovation, proving that the spirit of the Renault 5 Turbo lives on in an electrifying new form. Cut to a map showing Europe with a Renault badge hovering over it. The Renault 5 Turbo, an icon of the past, has been reborn as the electric Renault R5 Turbo 3E. This new model merges the nostalgic design of its predecessor with cutting-edge technology, creating a thrilling electric performance. Although it's not available in the US, it stands as a testament to Renault's legacy and continuous innovation. Here's the bittersweet part. Renault doesn't sell cars in the US. So, unless you're planning a European getaway, this electric hot hatch might be out of reach for now. But hey, if you're lucky enough to be in Europe, you might just find the Turbo 3E waiting for you at a rental counter. Playful clips of the Turbo 3E zipping through European streets. The Renault 5 Turbo, a legend in its own right, has transformed into the futuristic Renault R5 Turbo 3E. This new electric marvel combines nostalgic design elements with state-of-the-art technology, creating a thrilling driving experience that pays homage to Renault's innovative spirit. While it remains unavailable in the US, it stands as a testament to Renault's enduring legacy and commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering. It's a car that reminds us driving can still be exciting, even in an electric future. A shot of the original Renault 5 Turbo alongside the Turbo 3E with the words Legacy Reborn on screen. The Renault 5 Turbo, a legend of the 1980s, is reborn as the Renault R5 Turbo 3E. This electric marvel captures the essence of its predecessor with a modern twist. Its sleek lines and bold colors pay homage to the past while embracing the future. Though not available in the US, it showcases Renault's commitment to innovation and thrilling performance. What do you think of Renault's electric take on the R5 Turbo? Does it live up to the original's legendary status? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more awesome car stories.